Roasted Brussels sprouts with a nutmeg is a perfect alternative to boiled German Brussels sprouts served with the same ingredients. When roasted, German Brussels sprouts are golden brown. They have a buttery taste with a hint of a nutmeg. To make roasted Brussels sprouts, you will need, guess what? Brussels sprouts. You can use fresh or frozen Brussels sprouts. Defreezing takes up to 60 minutes. So first, we will prepare the nutmeg butter. For this, we need a small saucepan to melt the butter. As soon as the butter is melted, we need to add the salt, at least half tablespoon, and nutmeg. I grate nutmeg on a small grater at least 8 times. We need to preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit. And in the meantime, we cut the Brussels sprouts. Next, we will mix the butter with a spoon and pour it all over the sprouts. We will spread the Brussels sprouts on the baking sheet or a dish and roast them for 15 to 20 minutes. Brussels sprouts are ready when they turn golden brown around edges. You will find the written recipe in the description box down below. They accompany all kinds of meat and potato dishes really well, but they can also be eaten straight off the pan. If you love roasted vegetables like I do, you will love this recipe. Thanks for watching.